When your phone is flipped shut and you double press the power button or side button as they call it now, it will launch the front camera, which is right now this primary camera on your phone. So you can take really high quality selfies using this camera. So if I tap it, it will launch these cameras here, and then you can swipe left to launch the portrait mode and you get all the portrait controls here. Then you can go to the video mode here as well and tap here to switch between aspect ratios. You can turn on auto framing as well. You can also change the resolution from 30 fps to 60 fps here. You can change the aspect ratio here as well, so you can play around with this quite a bit. Then you can go in photo mode. In photo mode, again, you have your timer, you have your aspect ratio, motion photos. You can also switch between natural mode and warm mode, and then you have this tap to screen option. So just tap on the screen to take photos. Otherwise, you can simply tap the volume buttons or press the volume buttons to take these photos, and it is very quick.